everyone, I am Monica Chaudhary. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the required skill set for the job selection. These are certain skill sets a candidate should have in order to ensure their selection. Number 1. Technical knowledge. Technical knowledge is must, guys. You can't skip this heading before going for any interview, right? It could be anything. You are applying for any software side or maybe technical side. Make sure you have full technical knowledge. Number 2, hands-on knowledge on projects. If you are going for software domain like software development, make sure that you have good hands-on knowledge on projects also. Number 3, this is very interesting, attitude. Attitude matters the most, guys. You should always have positive attitude before applying for any job opportunity. Number 4, professional skills. What are professional skills? Without professional skills, technical skill may fail. Hence, look into these soft skills for the job selections. Professional skills are nothing but soft skills. For example, number 1, communication skill. Communication skill is the transferring your message to others, right? It includes clarity of thoughts, fluency and confidence. If you are confident enough, then only you can deliver your message with full of confidence. And that brings me to the next point, which is presentation skills. Presentation skills are the skills, guys, how you present yourself. It includes like online presence, how you present yourself online. For example, I am presenting myself now. Second, social media presence, how active you are on your LinkedIn profile, for example. Number 3, face-to-face interview. In real interview also, your physical presence is going to matter. The next point is organizational skills. Organizational skills are the skills which you need to showcase within the company. For example, leadership skills. You have to showcase your leadership ability. You have to manage team, your colleagues nicely within a team. Number 2, work ethics. Work ethics are the set of rules and values which you have to follow within an organization. Like you can't really skip them. You can't break the rule, right? So believe, guys, you are halfway there. Keep hustling to the finish line. Stay in touch with us on social media platforms. We are on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube. Take care. Thank you so much. Happy learning.